Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT again, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to download IMO for Windows PC, and I'll be showing you too how to install and register it in your Windows. So first of all, I'm going to Google and typing IMO for PC, and there you'll be able to find some links. Simply hit to imoforpc.com. okay, this is the site which is trusted for this app in Windows. Simply hit to IMO for PC, and as you can see, I'm on the page, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to find there are writings about IMO for PC, and simply scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and there you'll be able to find to download IMO for PC. Directly click here, simply click there and download it. Okay, I have downloaded this in my system and I'm going to install it. The software is this IMO setup. I'm just going to install it. Double click, click on accept and install. Now it may take a little while to be installed, and as you can see, it is being installed in my system. Okay, now click on finish. Okay, as you can see, the IMO for Windows 10 has been launched, and it's asking me to fix the country and the phone number that I have. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a country. I'm just going to show you for the demonstration purpose. Okay, I'm just typing a number and continue, and the number I have typed there will send me the password, and I have got it. I'm going to type the password simply. And I have typed it. Now simply clicking on continue. So as you can see that the IMO app has been launched, and I have gotten all the contacts that I have in my mobile, and from this I'll be able to contact all my friends, all my family members with which I am connected over IMO. And that's the simple way of connecting to IMO in Windows 10 PC simply. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.